Hey guys, it's Nina. I just wanted to share with you an unboxing or unpackaging of my latest lug bag. I think many of you have probably also purchased this bag if you are into lug, because it was the today's special value maybe a little over a week ago now. Maybe 2 weeks ago now. So with that, let's get right into getting into the package. And you could see here, you can see a part of the bag through the packaging, which that seems to be a new feature. So this is the Lug Ranger. And Lugnut TV has already done her unboxing of this bag, and actually I saw her unboxing of the Ranger on wheels, or the Ranger Wheelie. I can't remember exactly what it's called, which is the small underseat carry-on luggage that has the exact same print. And when I saw that, I was like, oh my God, that's so cute. And I love the pattern. I love the coloring of it. So when I saw that this was, going to be the today's special value, I actually ordered it, I think the day before. So the day before that it actually aired as the today's special value, I ordered the bag, and there it is. I have had a Ranger before. I had the camo orchid version, but I actually gave that one away. So now I was so excited to see this one, and the color is so vibrant and pretty. I think it is coming across the camera very nicely. It is a boxy sort of bag. As a matter of fact, I think Lug had the predecessor to the Ranger was another bag that's very similar. The only difference between that bag and this bag is that the old bag did not have zippers that go all the way down the side. And the reason why this is called the Ranger is because of the range of view that you have with that extremely wide opening. And there are side gussets, so your things don't, tumble out of the sides just because you can open it wide, but you can see everything that you have in your bag. It is really, really nice. I love the thought process that went behind creating this style of bag. So get the typical Lug thank you. Oh, and I completely forgot that today's special value was a duo with the, I think this is called the Rodeo. This is the matching wallet that actually came with the Ranger. And guys, I hope that you guys got a chance to take advantage of this, because the pricing on this was amazing. I mean, the bag itself, I think, retails on Lug for $70 on its own. And then the wallet, I'm actually not sure how much the wallet costs, but I would say it's probably, probably around the $35, $40 range on its own on the Lug website. But when you got the TSV from QVC, you got both pieces for $50. I mean, I think that's pretty darn good, for the pricing of the bag. I know now some people might say $50, is a good price for a nylon bag, which I would totally agree with that. But even with, other bags of this style, like a Vera bag or a, I think Bagolini makes a lot of nylon bags. Travelon makes a lot of nylon bags. Even eBags, eBags, the company that sells, bags, they have their own line of travel bags, and they do have a small travel bag that is similar. Well, actually it's not anything similar to this, but it is kind of that crossbody square, or, you know, type of boxy bag. And so $50 I think is a good price if you were just getting this bag, but to throw in the wallet, which this is not a simple flimsy wallet, guys. We're talking, you know, a pretty decent wallet. You've got the clear ID pocket here, 1, 2, 3 card slots on that side. You've got 2 additional card slots here and a gusseted pocket right here. I guess you can put receipts. There's, you know, area back here that's a little bit more private. If you want to stash a little cash there, you could also put your cash right there if you'd like. There's pockets behind the clear ID pocket too, as a matter of fact. And that's all the pockets. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actual card slots, and then 2 additional kind of slip pockets for cash, receipts, anything of that nature. So it is a decent wallet, and it's actually a wristlet, so you can just grab this and go if you need to. The little clasp here is removable, so if you wanted to take this off, if you didn't like this and you didn't want this, you know, with the wallet, you could actually remove that. But this is that same zipper that I love on the new Performance 12 Vera Bradley bags. It's the same type of zipper. I think it's plastic. Yeah, it is. I think it's plastic. I don't know if that's metal or not, but it's a very nice, smooth. I like the size of the teeth on the zipper. I think it adds a little bit of style to it. And then it's got the beautiful quilting. I think they call this the contemporary arrow quilting. It's also on the front pocket of the Ranger. I love that feature as well. And then the colors on here are just so vibrant. Blues and pinks and purples. A little bit of that kind of sage green. And then on this beautiful black background. Really, really pretty. I think it's they did a good job on this pattern. So the front pocket of the Ranger also has a built-in wallet. So you've got another ID or clear view pocket. You could put, if you were using this for traveling, you know, you could put your hotel key right there for easy access. Or if you were going to any sort of park, you could put your park pass right there. You've got some additional slots for your key, you know, maybe quick access cards, like maybe if you use your debit card frequently, that could be one that you put there. And oh, by the way, I'm not certain about the Rodeo, but I do believe that this is, I think it's RFID shielded, if I recall correctly. At least I know the original Ranger was, but it's, well, usually I think there's like a little, yeah, it's definitely RFID. So there's the little RFID tag. I don't know if you can see that little tag right there, but it is RFID protected, so you don't have to worry about that. You've got the typical cell phone pocket right there, which is a awesome feature. This is one of the reasons I love Lug, is because it always has that cell phone pocket. You're never having to dig in your bag to find your ringing cell phone. And then you've got a clear view pocket right there on the front of the bag. So this is what I'm saying, just the thought process. Like, you've got this hanging, this is a crossbody, so you've got it hanging on your body. You can easily open for quick access of your cards, or you can, you know, you can also put your wallet in there. You can open this for quick access of any sort of like cosmetics, like your lip gloss or hand sanitizer that you want right at the your fingertips. It's also this plastic, so you can wipe that down on, you know, at least the front side. You can't wipe the bag, but, oh, and I didn't even talk about this pretty color in the interior. It's like a teal green, or maybe even a jade green kind of color, with some little dots. and has the little Lug signature right there. You've got two small slip pockets. These are not soft lined, so they're just regular cargo pockets. And then you've got a big one on the other side, as well as a privacy zippered compartment. And this is a pretty good size bag. Like, for instance, just to give you an example, here is my daily planner. That could fit in there. I have a water bottle. This is a square water bottle, by the way, guys, if you are interested. This is something I purchased off of Amazon. As a matter of fact, you could probably put that right in that slip pocket, so it kind of holds it up, so you don't have to worry about it spilling. But this is airtight, so you won't. I never have an issue with this leaking anyway. But you can put that in there. Let's say you had some glasses, you can pop those in there. This is not my actual cell phone, but if you did have that cell phone, but this is an iPhone 6 Plus, which is pretty much about the same size as the phone that I do actually use, which is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So it's the largest phone. It will fit in there if you needed it to, but of course I would have it here on the outside. But yeah, so it is a great bag. Oh, and I even forgot about this back zipper compartment. So you've got another one with 2 pen slots as well. So you can keep some additional stuff, like if you wanted it close to your body, you can keep that back there. You guys all know that the crossbody strap is removable. So, and the lug bags always have a very nice range for adjustability on these crossbody straps. So anyone of any height or size can find their perfect placement for the crossbody bag. So there you have it. It is a beautiful bag. I absolutely love it. I love it so much. I'm going to carry it today. Not that I'm going anywhere, but but so here it is. Maybe I have to go get some gas or something. Not that I'm driving anywhere, but still. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. And I will have, I do have another bag that I purchased on the same day that is also coming. And I have that bag in like 5 different prints. So I'll be sharing with you guys all of those once I receive that bag. Surprisingly, even though I ordered them on the same day, I still have not received that one yet. So hopefully that will be coming any day. Okay, have a wonderful day, guys. We'll talk soon.